Hello. Today we're showing our Niles ZSTZ 1250. The 48-inch capacity Spur and Helical tooth grinder. It's in very good condition, still holding a Class 10 tolerance. Machines are being cycled as they are every week to ensure that all the ways and everything is lubricated properly. Machine will come with a complete set of gears, change gears, wheel hubs, everything you need to go. Here's some of the gears. The back of the machine. You can come and view this machine running if you need. We can take more videos. We can answer any questions you may have. Again, this is the Niles ZSTZ 1250. 1250 millimeter cable and capacity. Spur and Helical tooth grinder. Very good condition. Let's walk around the right side of the machine now. The ways. There's the table turning. Thank you for viewing.